And that brings us to the live demonstration, which is streaming to you directly from Turin, Italy. Take it away, Giovanni. And let me just move the camera over. Here we go.
Hello, everybody again. Now we will do all the tests and all the steps we need to perfectly install a keep nut. The first step is the drilling. Put the material under the drilling machine, and we have an adjustment to adjust the depth of the hole according to the keep nut model. Now we perform a simply cylindrical blind hole. Now, once the hole is done, we check it with the go, no-go gauge. First, we put the no-go side and be sure that cannot enter the hole. Then we go on the go side and we check that it can go in up to the indicated level according to the keep nut model. In this case, is the H8.5. When everything is correct, we will fix the keep nut under the punch and hammer it into the hole. That's all. Now the keep nut is installed and we can go to fix it in our structure. In this case, it's a system for facade that we apply with the grub. We simply screw it in, put washer and spacer, and the nut, and just tighten it. And our tile is ready for the installation. In the substructure, for instance, of a cladding facade in this example. And that's all. The work is done. Now we will perform a pull-out test on a samples of keep nut installed in a marble. We fix it in the pull-out test machine. Please be aware that the result is displayed in kilogram force that are equivalent to 2.2 pounds. It goes closer to 600 kilos.
Wow.
That's pretty good. We can say that the result is definitely appreciable. Okay, that's all for the lab. We can come back to the presentation.